Okay, I'm just trying to fit this 2-in-1 fan shroud, and if you notice, this is lower than the nozzle, so that's no good. It's basically well, on my print bed anyway it is. So basically I put a 40mm fan on here. I haven't plugged it in yet because I've just been trying to fit it. So I put the light in here. So I put this 40mm fan on, and it seems like the edge of this fan is touching this plate. I clamp my hot end to, like on the carriage here. So it's stopping it going high enough. Even that's about there, the tip. Obviously if I get this moved up, it's going to impact on that. So it needs some more work done to it, at least for my printer. The other issue is that the wing, there's some cables coming out here for the hot end and for the cartridge. They're actually touching on the top of this ring, so actually that's what might be stopping it going up. So something's going to have to be done about that. I could put a dent in this part. That's all I can think of at the moment, but I'm going to be thinking about that. So you probably just see there that these cables for the hot end thermocouple are touching on the top of this ring, and that's stopping this ring going up any higher. I'm going to be looking at it. This is just a quick update.